In today's video, I'm going to teach you complete Klaviyo setup tutorial for Shopify stores. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged in with a staff role that can install apps. Then head to your home dashboard so you can easily access the navigation. From here, open the Apps section. This is where you'll manage everything you connect to your store, including Klaviyo. In the Apps view, use the search to find Klaviyo by typing Klaviyo. When you see Klaviyo, email marketing and SMS in the results, select it. You want the official listing so Shopify and Klaviyo can connect cleanly and sync your store data without any extra configuration. You'll land on the Shopify App Store page for Klaviyo. Take a quick moment to scan the overview, features, and permissions so you know what access you're granting. You might notice multiple highlighted areas as you scroll through the details, reviews, and pricing. This is normal. When you're ready, click Free to install. Shopify will show a confirmation screen listing the permissions Klaviyo needs. Review them, then click Install to approve. Shopify will process the request and redirect you to Klaviyo to complete the connection. On this screen, click the button labeled Create Your Klaviyo Account to connect to Shopify. This kicks off the account setup with your store details already passed through from Shopify. Follow the prompts and continue. Depending on your browser and the validation steps running in the background, you may see that same Create Your Klaviyo Account to connect to Shopify button appear on a few consecutive screens. Simply keep clicking it when prompted to advance. If you use Klaviyo elsewhere, make sure the connection is being created for this specific Shopify store. If you're signed into an unrelated workspace, sign out or choose the option that creates a new workspace, so the correct store is linked. If your browser asks for permission to open Klaviyo or redirect, allow it. Once the connection is successful, you'll arrive at Klaviyo's onboarding page. Click Get Started. At this point, Shopify will begin syncing data like customers, orders, and site activity into Klaviyo. The first sync can take a few minutes. Leaving the tab open helps it finish smoothly. To finish up, keep Shopify open in case you need to revisit app permissions. If the install button ever appears disabled or you hit an error, refresh the page and confirm your staff permissions. After onboarding, verify that your lists, sign-up forms, and core flows, like welcome and abandoned cart, are visible in Klaviyo. That confirms everything is connected and ready for you to build high-performing email and SMS campaigns.